Morning. Today we are going to see a topic regression equation in mathematics and statistical computation. Regression equation y on x. After the investigation, it has been found that the demand for automobiles in a city depends mainly, if not entirely, upon the number of families residing in the city. The following problem had given a city and the number of families sales of an automobile. Number of family is given with the variable of x and sales of automobile is given with the variable of y. For we should find the regression equation y on x by least square method, and we have to estimate the sales in the year of 2020. Calculation of regression equation, it is calculated by using a tabular form, that is xy. Summation of xy should be calculated by adding all the terms in x. We will get 375 and the sum of y value is 141.7. X square means we are going to square the each and every value, and sum of their x square will be given as 28,625, and xy means we are going to multiply it x and y. We will get the value as 10,849. I am going to substitute these values in my formula. My formula is summation y is equal to na plus b summation x, and summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. So I will get the first equation as and second equation. By solving these two equations, I am going to multiply my first equation into 75 because to eliminate a term. So if I multiply it, I will get the value as 1627.5 equal to 375a plus 28125 into b. I will subtract the a term and finally I will get the b term. B term is 0.443. If we substitute this b value in either 1 or 2, we will get the value of a. By simple calculation, I will get the value as 5a is equal to minus 24.425. If I bring down that 5 to the other side, I will get the a value as 4.885. Thus, we got the values of a and b. Hence, the required regression equation y is equal to a plus bx. So, I am going to substitute my a value and b value in the equation. I will get the value. In final question, they asked what is the sales when the year is 2020. So, I am going to where the number of families is 100. So, I am going to substitute x value as 100 in my above equation, and I will get the answer as 39.415. My problem 2 is from the following data obtain two regression equation, that is y on x and x on y. So x and y values are given, summation of x, summation y will be calculated. Similarly, x square, y square and xy will be calculated by multiplying it. Again, I am going to solve this equation by using two formula, regression equation y on x and x on y. X on y formula is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar, where y on x is y minus y bar equal to byx x minus x bar. So x bar is calculated by using the value summation x by n, that is 75 by 8. Y bar is equal to summation y by n, that is 50 by 8. Similarly, here also we will get the x bar and y bar. Regression coefficient of x on y is, that is bx can be calculated as n into summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by summation y square by summation y square. I am substituting all those values to find bxy and byx. So while substituting this in the above formula, that is regression equation on x on y and y on x, I will get the values x minus 9.375 equal to 0.9815 into y minus 6.25. It is of the form of x equal to y. So I am keeping x as such in my left hand side and bringing the other numbers to the other side. And if I subtracted it and solve it, I will get the answer x equal to 3.2406 plus 0.9815y. Similarly, for y on x, it is calculated by a simple calculation, and my answer is y is equal to minus 3.1784 plus 1.0057x. This is how we can calculate our regression equations fit to one linear equations by x on y and y on x. Thank you.